how much should you actually spend on beach shades in tents? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, while others return the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Gorge Beach Tent, blue. We have the Gorge Beach Tent, priced at just $33.99. What caught my attention here is that it offers a super large space, 86.6 inches long and 59 inches wide, which is about 30% bigger than similar tents in this price range. If you want a spacious spot for your family on the beach, this is worth a serious look. So let's talk features. The Gorge tent has UPF 50+ UV protection, which means you and your family can chill without worrying too much about sunburn. It's made from durable polyester with a silver-coated fabric to keep you cool. Plus, it weighs only 3.5 pounds, making it super easy to carry. The setup is quick. You can have it ready in just a few minutes. That's perfect for those beach days when you just want to relax. And with over 2,000 sales in the past month, people are definitely interested. Now, some users mentioned that it could be a bit tricky to fold back up. Here's the thing though, most beach tents have that learning curve. Once you get the hang of it, the Gorge tent offers a solid value for its price. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly and spacious beach setup. Skip this one if you need something more stable in very windy conditions. For the price, it's a great deal for family outings.
Product number 2, Gorge Beach Tent, turquoise. We have another Gorge Beach Tent, but this one comes in a vibrant turquoise color, also priced at $33.99. Just like its blue counterpart, it offers an impressive size of 86.6 inches by 59 inches, making it spacious enough for 3 to 4 people. If you want a bright option that still gives you plenty of room, this is worth a serious look. This tent has the same high-quality UPF 50+ protection, which keeps the harmful sun rays at bay. The material is robust and the setup is just as easy, taking only minutes. Weighing in at 3.5 pounds, you can toss it in your bag without a second thought. The ventilation is excellent thanks to the mesh windows, allowing cool breezes to flow through. It's also got a water-repellent design for light drizzles, making it versatile. However, some reviews pointed out that it might not handle heavy winds very well. But honestly, many beachgoers just need something light and portable, and this tent fits the bill perfectly for that. This is perfect for casual beachgoers who want a bright, airy space to relax. Skip this one if you're planning on using it in stormy weather. For its price, you're getting a solid tent that delivers on space and comfort.
Product number 3, Basuhat Beach Tent. We have the Basuhat Beach Tent, priced at $83.99. At first glance, this tent stands out with its 10 by 10 foot size, making it ideal for larger groups. If you want ample shade for family gatherings, this is worth a serious look. This tent features a unique design with an elevated stabilizer bar that allows for 7.7 feet of height, giving you a spacious feel while ensuring good ventilation. The UPF 50+ protection means you're shielded from the sun, and the 8 sandbags included help keep it anchored even in breezy conditions. The quick setup thanks to pre-strung poles makes it user-friendly, which is something many families appreciate. With over 900 units sold recently, it's clear that this tent is popular. However, some users mention that it's on the heavier side at 10 pounds, which might be cumbersome for some. But if you're looking for stability and space, that weight might be a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for families wanting a large, stable shade solution at the beach. Skip this one if you need something ultralight for hiking. The value is definitely there for beach gatherings.
Product number 4, Shibumi Shade 3.0, which is priced at $305. Yes, it's on the pricier side, but hear me out. This unique tent has a design that harnesses wind power to create a stable shade with just 3-mile-per-hour breezes. If you want a hassle-free beach experience without worrying about your shade blowing away, this is worth a serious look. This tent offers a generous 150 square feet of shade, which is perfect for groups of up to 8 people. It only weighs 4 pounds and packs down small, making it super portable. The setup is incredibly quick, taking only about 3 minutes, which is a huge plus after a long drive to the beach. Plus, it's made from recycled materials, so it's environmentally friendly too. However, the price point might discourage some. Look, if you're a casual beachgoer, it might seem like overkill, but for those who frequently hit the beach with family or friends, it could be a solid investment. This is perfect for families looking for a durable, wind-resistant shade. Skip this one if you're only going to the beach occasionally. It's a top-tier option worth the money for regular beach trips.
Product number 5, Yen Yam Beach Canopy. We have the Yen Yam Beach Canopy, priced at $62.91. This tent offers a spacious 11 by 11 feet area and is designed for quick setup without any tools. If you need a reliable, easy to set up option for beach outings, this is worth a serious look. The fabric provides UPF 50+ protection, which is essential for keeping harmful rays away. It's designed with 4 metal poles and comes with sandbags and windproof ropes to ensure stability in breezy conditions. The weight at 10 pounds is manageable, and it packs nicely in the carry bag provided. With over 700 sold recently, it's clearly catching attention for good reasons. Some users pointed out that it may not perform well in heavy winds if not properly secured. But honestly, most beach days are moderate, and if you take a moment to set it up correctly, it should hold up just fine. This is perfect for families or groups seeking an affordable yet spacious beach shade. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight for hiking trips. For its price, it's a solid deal that covers your beach needs.
So to wrap it up, we've covered a range of options from the budget-friendly gorge tents to the premium Shibumi shade. Each has its own strengths depending on what you're looking for, whether it's space, ease of setup, or wind resistance. Think about your needs at the beach and you'll find the right fit.